Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a questionnaire using Google Docs, step by step. If this sounds helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Creating a questionnaire in Google Docs is super simple and perfect for collecting feedback, running surveys, or setting up quizzes. Start by opening a blank Google Doc. Add a title like Customer Feedback Questionnaire or whatever fits your purpose. Then you can begin typing your questions, each on a new line. Use numbering or bullet points to keep things organized. For example, 1. How satisfied are you with our service? Then hit enter and go on to the next one. To create answer spaces, press enter a few times after each question or add a row of underscores, like this, to guide people where to type their response. And here's a neat trick. If you want to add checkboxes for multiple choice questions, go to the top menu and click Format, then hover over bullets and numbering and select checklist. That'll turn each line into a checkbox you can tick off. Super handy and looks clean. Want to make it look more professional? Use headings for sections, bold your questions, and space things out nicely. And don't forget, you can always share the document with others by clicking the share button in the top right corner. That's it. Your questionnaire is ready to go. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more simple Google tips.